Hi folks, this is your NWIS Fleeting View for the week ahead. Now there is plenty of fine and sunny weather on the way, but we do have some further thunderstorms in the forecast during Monday. And again, these will be very hit and miss where they do develop, but some places will see some torrential downpours with hail, frequent lightning and the risk of localised flash flooding. The greatest risk is going to be across Wales and the north and the west of the Highlands as we go through into Monday afternoon. A very warm and quite humid feeling day once again with light east to southeasterly breezes. Let's just run that sequence then through Monday daytime. There's the risk of an odd burst of rain across South Wales early in the day, but it's really as we go through into the afternoon that storms will brew up increasingly hour by hour. Developing over the Midlands, some will develop over Wales as well, but they'll all kind of merge and spread westwards across Wales as we go through the afternoon. So increasing risk even in West Wales of catching thunderstorms as we go through the afternoon into early evening. A scattering of storms too popping up across the North and West Highlands as mentioned. These typically inland areas, coastal parts out towards Skye, generally escaping these, but the odd one or two starting to drift westwards as we go into the evening time, so a few may reach the west coast. Some around the Great Glen could be rather slow moving. A chance of a thunderstorm around the northern Cairngorms, Monolade Mountains as well. Less risk of storms toward the central and southeastern parts of the Highlands, and generally across northern England escaping with just a low risk of a shower. Some storms will rumble on into the night, but they will tend to fade out, leaving some misty conditions first thing on Tuesday morning in places. That will lift and break, and lots of sunshine will be in the forecast through Tuesday daytime. A low risk of an isolated shower across western regions, the greater risk of storms having moved over toward the west of Ireland. There is just a small risk of localised showers or perhaps a very isolated thunderstorm just over the Northwest Highlands inland from the west coast, so just keep an eye on the forecast there. Lots of sunshine into the middle of the week with a fresher feeling easterly airflow across the country. Light winds overall, pleasant feeling days, strong sunshine, dark colours on this chart indicating the clear skies, and pretty much sunshine dawn till dusk, just some thin high level cloud from time to time, maybe the odd patch of mist just around at dawn. So a very fine story through midweek. Feeling warm again, the highest temperatures in the west, but not quite as humid as recently. Bit more high cloud over England and Wales maybe into Thursday, and it could just be that cloud bubbles up enough to create an isolated shower, even a thunderstorm very locally across mid and south Wales. A bit of cloud bubbling up inland elsewhere, but again lots and lots of sunshine. By the end of the week, high pressure is still very much nearby, but just a slack pressure pattern over Britain with a bit more humidity trying to get into the mix may just bring the higher risk of showers or localised thunderstorms once again. A lot of uncertainty by this stage, but do just be on the watch out for those developing again by the back end of this week. We'll have your next long-range planning outlook available on Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. For today, that's your Fleeting View. Thanks for watching.